traveled. Weep not for paths left alone, 'cause beyond every bend is a long blinding end. It's the worst kind of pain I've known. Give up your heart left broken, and let that mistake pass on. 'Cause the love that you lost wasn't worth what it cost, and in time you'll be glad it's gone, 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 gone,
Well, it's our life and it's our time and it's our place and it's our choice. These are our thoughts with our views out of our minds with our voice. It's our oath to this generation. They call us X, we call us A. Cause see, they don't like us or understand us, and they just hope we all fall away. But we won't stop and we won't quit and we won't settle for what they're giving. We'll keep on standing, keep on fighting, no backing down. That's how we live and our minds are made up, and we're focused, no more believing what we've been told. Cause our bags are packed, there's no turning back. We walk alone down these winding roads.
not for roads untraveled. Weep not for sights unseen. May your love never end, and if you need a friend, there's a seat here alongside me. May your love never end, and if you need a friend, there's a seat here alongside me.